Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by locking prerequisites. Use wired Ethernet or a dedicated 5 GHz Wi-Fi band because lower jitter reduces input delay. Once done, pause all downloads and close background apps on your console and PC to free bandwidth. Make sure your router and Xbox are in low latency or game mode. This prioritizes packets. You should also power cycle your router and console if they've been online a long time. These first actions create the stable, low-latency foundation needed for the next adjustments. Now you tune the network and devices for responsiveness. Go into your router to enable CoS or prioritize the Xbox IP because prioritization reduces queuing delay. Then check NAT type. Open or moderate is best for real-time UDP traffic. Adjust streaming bitrate or resolution in the cloud gaming options to reduce encoding delay. Dropping to 720p often improves latency noticeably. Also update controller firmware and connect controllers via USB or low-latency Bluetooth to finish by validating changes. Launch a fast-paced game and judge input response, and run a simple latency test to confirm improvements. If you still feel delay, switch Wi-Fi channel away from crowded bands, reconnect via Ethernet, or try a different router to isolate interference or hardware faults. Make sure to reboot modem, router, and console after changes if the problem remains. Capture diagnostics and contact your ISP. Sometimes routing to Microsoft servers is the bottleneck, and they can investigate.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.